Hello everyone, today I'm going to present my mini project on traffic light system using Arduino Uno. I will walk you through the wiring, the code and a live demonstration of the setup. We have a LED traffic light signal module where you can see there are 4 pins. One is ground, second one is for the red color, the third one is for the yellow and the fourth one is for the green color. Let's go to the wiring section where you can see there are 4 pins to the signal module, and we are now going to connect it to the Arduino. The red pin is connected to the pin number 13, the yellow pin is going to connect with the pin number 12, and the green one should be connected to the pin number 11 from the Arduino board, and the ground pin should be connected to the ground one. So let's connect it. Now you all can see the all 4 pins are connected to the Arduino Uno. Now let's move to the coding section where you all can see there are the color and the pin numbers are mentioned into the code, as well as you can see the delays in between the light blinking also mentioned in the code. The delay 5000, it stand for the 5 seconds of delay. If you want to change that delay, you simply put or change the values of that delay. Now we are going to verify the code, and after the compiling we are going to upload the code to the Arduino board. Coding has been done, and let's move to the result of this project. So you all can see like there are 5 seconds of delay in between 3 lights. Now let's change that delay to the 1 second and let's check it again. Load the code again, and now you can see the result. So that's it for this project. Please do like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you.